Right, my dear friends, good evening, one and all. Let me first introduce myself. Is M.C.P. Saheb. I have 22 plus years of teaching experience. I can teach the subjects C language, C++, Java, Python, data structures, web technologies, and so on. These subjects I can teach very good. Timings. Duration of the battery is 45. Now, my dear friends, right. Today I will explain the history of C programming language. History of C programming. So, in the world, there are so many programming languages. We have C, C++, Java, Python, so many. All these are called high-level programming languages. Before high-level programming languages, low-level programming languages are there, but they are very tough to understand, tough to remember, tough to learn also. High-level programming languages are very easy to learn and use. Why? Because in high-level programming languages, you can write the programs by using simple English words. So these are very, very easy to understand and remember and learn. One of the popular high-level programming language is BCPL. BCPL means Basic Combined Programming Language. It is called BCPL. Actually, it was developed by a person, developed by the person Martin Richard. Martin Richard is the developer of the BCPL. There is one more person, his name is called Ken Thompson. Why? Because a programming language cannot be developed single person. It will be developed generally by a team. In the team, there is one more person, his name is Ken Thompson. At the time of BCPL, BCPL is a programming language, it works on computer only. So every computer will have an operating system. At that time, they have one operating system that is called DOS. We know today also we have DOS operating system. Actually, it is called single user operating system. Single user operating system means it can support to only one person at a time. It cannot support multiple persons at a time. So these two persons, Martin Richard and Ken Thompson, want to develop a multi-user operating system to use the computer resources very effectively. What is their motto? Their aim is to develop multi-user operating system. To build this multi-user operating system, they have one programming language BCPL. By using BCPL, they try to develop this multi-user operating system, but they failed. Why? Because this programming language doesn't have capacity to build this multi-user operating system. Then they developed a new programming language and named it as the first letter of BCPL, B. So from BCPL, one more programming language was developed, that is called B. Who is the developer? Was developed by Ken Thompson. He is the developer. Ken Thompson is the developer. Why they developed B programming language? Their aim is to build a multi-user operating system. By using B programming language, they successfully build multi-user operating system and named it as Multics. Multics is the first multi-user operating system. Today we know some operating system names: Unix, Linux, Windows, Android. All these are operating systems. Multics is the first multi-user operating system. It was developed by using a programming language B. But my dear friends, the languages BCPL and B, these two are called typeless programming languages. Typeless means these doesn't support data types. What is that? BCPL and B are typeless programming languages. Means these does not support data types. Does not support data types. First of all, we have to understand what is the meaning of data type. Data type means whenever you go to cool drink shop, then you can identify some types of cool drinks like Thumbs Up, Mazda, Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Sprite. All these are called types of drinks, am I right? In the same manner, in data also we have some types. But these two programming languages doesn't support these data types. So these are called typeless programming languages. Now there is a person, his name is called Dennis Ritchie. Who is that? Dennis Ritchie. He wanted to develop a programming language and he wanted to introduce the data types also. So he developed one more programming language and it was named as the second letter of BCPL. It is called C. So from B, C language was developed. So B led it to C. It was developed by Dennis Ritchie in the year of 1972 on a computer which is having Unix operating system, Unix machine at one laboratory. The laboratory name is AT and T Bell Laboratory. AT and T Bell Laboratory. In this laboratory, AT&T Bell Laboratory, in this laboratory, on a computer which is having Unix operating system, in the year of 1972, Dennis Ritchie was developed the C language. It is called history of the C programming language. Right, friends? Note on this, my dear friends. Note on heading history of C language. Friends, listen carefully. We have 5 free demo classes: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Actually, 3 or 5, I don't know correctly, right? So, up to that, once we finish the free demo classes, you need to note down this material. Once free demo classes are over, then I will create a WhatsApp group to you and I will send this material every day to you soft copy. After free demo classes, you need not to write on right time. Whenever you are free, then you can write. Why? Because I will send this material to you through WhatsApp group. Up to that, you need to note it down. Please note on this, my dear friends. Friends, if you want to pay the fee, it is the Google Pay number or Phone Pay number. New person just reach now, right? See, my dear friends, I explained the history of C programming language. There is one popular high-level programming language. Its name is BCPL, means Basic Combined Programming Language. It was developed by Martin Richard. From BCPL, a new programming language called B, it was developed, and it was developed by Thomson. Actually, the programming languages BCPL and B, these two are called typeless programming languages. These doesn't support any data types. So the finally Dennis Ritchie is the developer of C programming language. He developed C and he introduced data types also. So C programming language. Think of that. History of C programming.
Sir, voice is not clear.
Not clear. Any disturbance is there? Bhuvaneshwari, Jampani.
No noise, sir.
Okay.
Sometimes voice
Durga,
missing. Voice missing.
voice is breaking.
Yes, sir.
Now is it okay, Tagore? Tandon.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Actually, sometimes the net may be in trouble. Okay, right? Recording session you will get clearly, no problem at all, right? It happens sometime. Don't worry. Friends, if it is completed, please tell me. I will explain the next concept.
Completed, sir.
Good, good. Right. Friends, today I will explain the sample C program. How to write sample C program. Yeah. Friends, you have to write C program like this. Hash include std info.h you have to write on top. After that, we have to write a main method, void main. Inside the two curly brackets, you have to write the solution. That is called processing statements. It is the sample C program. Here it is called include statement. What is that? Include statement. It is called main method. It is called main method or main function. Both we can say. Both function. It is called solution or it is also called as processing statement. First of all, what is include statement? What is main method? What is processing statements? We need to understand very clearly. Every C program will have three types of statements. One is include statement. Second one is main method. Third one is processing statements. First of all, what is include statement? My dear friends, I want to construct a house. To construct a house, what are the tools we require? We require cement. We require iron. We require bricks. Those are required to build a house. In the same manner, to build a program, we need some tools. We need some tools. Those tools are kept in this header file, stdio.h. Before going to build the application, we need to copy the tools available in this header file into your program. So you have to write this line of code on top of the program. So actually it is the first line in any C program. It is the first line in any C program. In any C program, it is the first line. It always begins with the symbol hash symbol. Why we need to write that line of code? Whenever you write this line of code, the tools available in this header file will be copied into your program so that you can use them very easily. So what it will do? It will include or copy the tools available in stdio.h. In this file, we have some tools. Those tools will be copied into your program. This line will be executed at the time of compilation. First, we need to understand what is the compilation. Friends, I am very hungry. I need some food. First, what to do? First, we need to prepare the food. Prepare. Then we need to eat. So in two levels, we can complete the task. In the same manner, here you are writing the program in English. That English program, computer cannot understand. So we need to convert that program into machine understandable. That process is called as compilation. Compilation. It will be done by compiler, a software compiler. After compilation, your program will be converted into machine understandable. So machine can understand and machine can execute. That execution of program is called is running. First, we need to compile the program. After that, we need to run the program. Total program will be run at the execution time, but only this line will be executed at the time of compilation. So time only it will execute. So it is about the include statement. Now the second part is, what is the main method? Actually, my dear friends, your program should start execution at some point. That point is called main method. Your program always start execution from main. So it is called the first executable statement. The first executable statement. It is the first executable. It is very, very important. Very, very important is nothing but core. We have to write main method in all the programs. So it is mandatory. It is mandatory. You can write main method only one time. You cannot write 2-3 times. So it cannot be duplicated. Duplicate means multiple times. Multiple times you cannot write. You can write only one time. Main method you need to build. So it is called user defined. It is user defined function. It is not built in. You need to write. We need to write. You can write main method in 6 models. Execute. Or it has 6 forms. Solution. What is processing statements? Processing. What is what to do? To solve a problem, what you have to do? That's what it is to do.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Amma, I am not teaching anything. Okay, right? You need to note it down, no? Are you writing down or not?
Yes, sir.
Right? Please note down this. Right?
Noted, sir.
Okay. Note down.
Sir, there is one doubt.
Ask.
So, as you have said that there are three types of statement: include
Okay.
statement, main method, and processing statement.
Yes.
And in include statement, you have said that studio.h is known as header file. So, sir,
Yes.
what is the actual meaning of header file?
Friends, in your home, you have so many tools, no? Grinder, washing machine. Okay, so many tools you have. Am I right? All the tools you purchase and kept in your home. In the same manner, to build an application, we need so many tools. Those tools are already built and kept in some file. That file is called header file. Just a name, that's it. Right? A
Okay,
file
sir.
which contains so many tools. By using those tools, you can build your applications very easily. That file is called header file. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any other doubt?
No, sir.
Noted, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Okay, right. Friends, if you have any doubt in today's class, you can ask. Otherwise, I will wind up the session. Once the free demo classes are completed, then I can take full 1 hour class.
Sir, there is difference between main and void main, int main.
Actually, my dear friends, to get understanding all these things, you have to complete the concept of functions. Actually, it is a function. Whatever you want to pass into this function, you have to write here. It is called arguments. After complete the function, we will get our answer. That answer you can return. It is called return type. To understand all these things, you should know what is a function, how to define a function, all these things. So till now, till that, you better remember we have 6 types of main functions. Any one is okay, no problem here. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Marudra. Any other doubts?
Sir, payment will pay after the demo class.
After the demo class also you can pay, no problem at all. But if you want to continue, then better to pay. It will be more moral for us, more support for us. Right? Okay, then.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma. Good night.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good night.